Hi, this is Lego Rocks on a short little creator review on this little bird thing that I got in a newspaper. It's pretty cool. These wings can flap up and down, and the tail goes like this. You didn't see that. Like this. And I actually have a base plate now. Yeah, this is quite old. Yeah. Yeah. But anyway, back to the bird. As I said, I got it in a newspaper. I have this thing. There's the final product, and you have to sort of obey it like this. Then you go from there to there, to there, to there, to there, to there, to there. Then to there. Turn around. Then you do 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, and then that's done. I'll get the bag. Just wait 1 second. One's up. Hang on. I'm back. Here's the bag. The bird on it. Some shit in some different languages. Link to Lego. And got to be 3 and over. Sorry. Then you got CE. Then you got the scanner. So that's about it. And it's Lego Rock signing out.